welcome to the channel. In this channel you will witness how different manufacturing processes are being carried out in the world.
A rotating machine smoothly shaves wood. An automatic machine prepares crepes. A conveyor belt sorts fish by size at a factory. This machine welds a metal rod onto a metal mesh. Watch this satisfying machine slice wood like butter. Metal shavings are removed within seconds. Hot metal rods are straightened with ease. The process of making paper cups. A bandsaw effortlessly cuts through bones. Thick steel is cut effortlessly. The process of making water jugs. A worker uses a machine to form chain links. This factory machine produces clothes hangers. A machine helps a worker remove shoes from molds. Plastic dolls are extracted from their molds. This machine sews fabric to create back pockets for jeans. A robot arm slices a pig in half. Bamboo is cut lengthwise. Metal is shaped to form rooftops. Logs are shaved down in seconds before being rolled up by a worker.